Okay, so let's see what's inside this box of DampRid fresh scent pouches. Inside here, I believe we have 6 pouches for the total of around 3 pounds. And let's see what you're going to get in the box. So this is the fresh scent. And DampRid's been around. You know, we're all familiar with their other products that they have. So let's see what we got here. All right, there we go. So I like how they're all, looks like they're all individually wrapped so that you can take them out of the box. And this pouch and this pouch, you know, it doesn't like they're going to start absorbing moisture right away. And so, of course, you know, you got 6 in there. And it looks like each one is going to be about half a pound or 8 ounces. And this is used for small spaces. Don't think you're going to put this in a house and it's going to do the job. This can go in a toolbox, in a car, in a closet, some of that kind of spaces. So the way you do it is you unwrap the pouch and you pinch the bottom to enable it to stand up. So inside here must be a pouch. And let's see what we got here. So we open that. All right. So there's the pouch. Okay. All right. So what's next? Unwrap the pouch and pinch the bottom to enable it to stand up. Okay, so that's you're pinching the bottom, so you're kind of squeezing so it stands up like that. There we go. Okay. All right, what's next? Place the pouch upright on a flat surface in a desired location, and when all the crystals have dissolved or there's liquid in the window, you've reached replacement time and then replace it. So that's it. So it looks like it's going to fill up here with liquid. So you set it there and you leave it and you just let it do its job. So there you go. I guess you can see water in the bottom here. Yeah, so as it absorbs water, you can see it right there in the bottom. So that's nice. Dimension-wise, the pouch is 6 inches by 7.5 inches. So that gives you an idea of how big it would be depending on where you're going to put it. So there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Simple enough. Yeah, it smells good too. So it definitely is something that, you know, you're not going to be overburdened with the scent of this in your home. So all in all, very nice.